If you like helping people, you'll be especially interested in the health-related careers. This career field is growing rapidly. It offers a wide range of job opportunities that require a variety of education.
Christina.
Oh, hi, Christina. My name's Ed Silvas. Glad to meet you.
Do you drive this big ambulance?
Actually, sometimes I get to drive this ambulance. My partner and I trade off some days, but usually I drive this ambulance. Would you like to see inside?
Okay.
Well, step up on here. Just be careful. Well, Christina, this is a paramedic ambulance. As you can see, it's pretty large in here, and we need a lot of room, especially when we're back here. This is where our patient normally lays down, and you can see all the equipment that we carry, and it's a lot, actually. All the cabinets in here have all the equipment that we need to treat somebody from a simple bee sting all the way to a major heart attack. Also, I've delivered babies back here. In fact, I've delivered 154 babies as a paramedic, and that's a lot. As you can see, all the equipment that we have inside our cabinets is basically everything that I carry up here, I carry inside that blue bag. We have everything from oxygen all the way to special tubes that we can give IVs. And we also have, and probably something you're real familiar with on seeing on TV, I'm sure, is this monitor. This is what we use to see what your heart is doing. It's real important for a paramedic and an EMT to see exactly how your heart's working. Let's say you're having a bad heart and you have a bad heart rhythm. Now, I'm sure you've seen this on TV. This is the equipment we use to shock that heart. And so paramedics really have to know a lot like doctors and nurses. And that's really who we're trained by.
What's the most exciting thing about your job?
The most exciting thing about my job is that I have the education and the skill to save someone's life. Someone like yourself or maybe an adult. And that's really rewarding to me, to know that I can go in this ambulance and go on a 911 call. And it doesn't matter, from a simple bee sting to a major heart attack, I have the training and the knowledge to save someone's life. And that's probably the most rewarding thing about this work.
If I want to be a paramedic, what subject should I take now?
One is language arts, the other one is science and math. Language arts is probably very important for one reason. Everything that we do to our patient, we have to document on paper. And that documentation is very important because it helps us to communicate with the nurses and doctors in the hospital. So language arts is very important so that you can learn to write. The other thing I would take is science, and science is very important because in this field, being in the medical field, science opens up your eyes and opens up a whole new world to you. It teaches you how you work and function inside, and that's basically what a paramedic looks for. He looks to see how everybody works inside. And you'll really find out how complicated and how perfect your body really is when you take science. The other thing I would take is math. Math is very important to us because, as you can see, there's a lot of medications that we carry as paramedics. And that medication, we have to know how much and how little to give. And with our math, we know how to do that.